Good evening, guys, and happy Diwali! So today is Diwali. It is for Indian festival, and it is specifically for Hindu. And I'll show you the the view from my balcony, and you can see lots of lots of lights. uh, um, Hindus or Indians are decorating their balcony with lights. It's just same like in Philippines now we decorate Christmas lights. They also do the same thing. So let me show you in the balcony here. So this is my balcony. It's quite dark actually. So as you can see, it's quite dark. Let me see. This is the view from my inside the house. So here, as you can see, those are blinking. Those are lights. So let me show you properly. So those are the decorations from our opposite to our building, guys. So there it is, very beautiful. And this is another one here. This another one here. And this is my view in the evening. And later this, some people will be bursting some crackers. We also do the same. My husband has bought some crackers to do later with friends. So we just have to go down there. There's a parking spot in that area. It's empty. So we'll just go down and burst our crackers over there later. Maybe around 8 o'clock in the evening. I'll see you later, guys, when we're going down and burst our crackers. Bye. Outside now to burst the firework.
And we're celebrating for Diwali.
What is that?
Diwali Day.
Diwali Day.
I'm candy.
See?
Ready? Yeah. It's a minute.
Come close, Raja. Happy Diwali!
Mama,
What?
that one.
It's okay. What are you eating?
That.
Show me
the
some
hand,
minutes,
you have to hold in the
okay.
hand.
No problem.
Hold in the hand.
Then do like
Good,
this.
like
Yeah, do like that.
Round, round.
Make it eight. Make it in the air. Eight.
Make number 8.
Number
Do it like
8,
this.
Bella.
Yes.
I feel scary.
No,
it's
nothing
not
will happen.
scary.
Keep straight. Keep straight only.
Hey, take another one. That's it.
Go,
Throw down.
throw it
Throw
down.
down.
Throw it out.
Come here. Hold this one.
It's scary.
Why it's scary?
इसी से इसको जलाते हैं ना?
Huh?
इसी से इसको जलाते हैं. रुकेगा तो नहीं ये जमीन में.
They're just holding it now.
It can blast. That's why they don't want. Done.
Bella. That was a nice one, Bella.
Nice.
That is not just little fountain.
Hey, happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Done. चल. ज़्यादा तो नहीं काट दिया.
In the air. Oh, that's it.
8 came down.
That's it.
8 is coming down. No, I don't know.
That's it.
और क्या होता है? Blast होना चाहिए था.
तो होना चाहिए.
Bella.
I had a heart attack.
Come here.
मेरा क्या हुआ? क्या पकड़ा जा रहा हूँ? बुला दिया भाई साहब ने. हमको पकड़ा क्या है वो तो पकड़ लिया. 4 किलोमीटर के बाद हम करा वो.
There's a lot of people here down, bursting their crackers.
अंदर रूम में कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे रोशनी नहीं है तो कर रहा कुछ 10 फुट तक जाना
Nice.
That was nice.